Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another daily goodie box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. Seriously, if you've been following my channel, you guys know I've been opening up daily goodie box for a very long time. You guys, if you follow the channel, you guys also know I moved. This daily box has been missing in action. So I'm super excited to finally get it so I can share with you guys. This is the June box. Now, for those of you who don't know, Daily Goodie Box is actually a totally free box that you can get. If you check out dailygoodiebox.com, you can see how to get your own. I found the easiest way that you can get a free box is if you go to their Facebook page, they always post a photo of how to get a box. So basically just commenting on their stuff and they'll tell you how to get that. But we get this to review for you guys so you guys can check this out yourself. All right, so this is the way the package comes. And it's actually in another envelope, but this is the way that the box looks. So you guys can see that there. So I've gotten a lot of good products in here that I've never heard before. The reason why they send these boxes out is these are smaller brands. So they want to see what your feel for these products are. So you get to review those products and give them an idea of what, you know, what's good, what's bad, maybe, you know, if you would buy that yourself. So this is like a good option or a good way that you can get products just to give them a try, something that maybe you can add to your family, your household, and things like that. All right, so before I go into it, because I'm so like happy that I finally got this one. All right, so this is the way that the inside of that box looks, and you get a postcard. Now the postcard says you've got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in your box. So that is what that looks like there. And then you have everything wrapped in blue tissue paper as always. Now I'm like super happy. Look at it, super pumped. All right, so this is what is inside of this. So the first thing that I have here for you guys is, this is from Pop. This is a dairy-free cheddar. This is ancient grain pop chips. And if you guys want to grab this, they always give you like coupon codes, so they're always at the bottom of the box. So if you like something, you can just grab it yourself. So this is what it looks like in there. So I'm not going to open this because this is something I know my husband would like to take to work. So I don't want to mess with his stuff, but this looks like it's super yummy. So I would definitely, and actually it is non-GMO. So you see that there. So yeah. I don't know if you guys have heard of this one. I've never heard of this one, so I'm definitely curious about that one. And then the next thing, let me make sure. All right, the next thing I have here is from Move It. It says it's energy gummies. So these are like energy gummies, obviously. And it says scientifically formulated with guarana, CoQ10, folic acid, and protein. So that's what that is there. The next thing we have, oh, there are also more gummies. So let me see if there's a difference between these two and this one. They're both energy infused. Maybe they're just totally different. I'm not gonna get them. I'm not gonna take one right now because it's almost, you know, dinner. I don't wanna be up on that, so I'm not gonna take a chance. But that's definitely looks good for like before a good workout, or like if you're riding a bike like it shows you. So you're swimming, before you jog, before you ride your bike. Especially now that most of us are home, this is definitely good to try out. Maybe it'll give you some energy. And the next thing we have here is from Australian Creams. This is a lanolin oil. This is a day moisturizer. So you guys know I'm all about the skincare, so I'll definitely give that a try. That's a full-size product. You guys, when I think of boxes that give you free products, usually they're like little samples like this, and that's actually like the skincare product. This company gives you full-size products, so that's what that says. And then on the back, well, that's what that is. On the back it says it has Australian lanolin oil, vitamin E, and basically it says put onto your skin and, you know, moisturize as often as needed. I'm gonna give this one a try since it does have a safety seal for those of you curious, because I know some of us are like, wait, does it? It has like a light, like cocoa-y scent to it. Let me see. It does smell good. So it doesn't leave like greasy residue. It's just shiny a little, but not like super crazy, but it does smell good. So I would definitely give that a try. It does smell good, so that's cool. Wonder if it has, let me see. It says free from parabens, mineral oils, silicones, sulfates, and artificial colors. So that's cool. All right, so this is day cream, there we go. And then the next thing we have here is, this is something I'm gonna totally hide myself. This is sea salt, dark chocolate sea salt caramel. All right, so I'm definitely grabbing this. I'm gonna save this and hide it, but this is definitely something I'm gonna take for myself. So I'm putting that to the side for myself. And then the next thing we have here, okay, this is Built Bar. This is protein and energy. It says build your body, satisfy your cravings. So that's what that is here. Let me see what this is inside actually. I guess when you're hungry, obviously. Oh, so these are like protein bars, so this is cool. My daughter's been asking for protein bars. I'm definitely gonna give this to her. This is chocolate. Yeah, this is chocolate, so that's what that is. So 2 chocolate bars, 2 protein chocolate bars. You guys know protein bars are super expensive, so definitely appreciate that. And then we have 3 more things. So these are 2. This is natural ginger. Oh, they're both natural ginger. This is from Wellness Ginger Shots from Reed's. So these are ginger shots. I know I've gotten ginger chews before from this company, so I'm definitely happy to get that. And then the last but not least, we have a dry sparkling vanilla. This is naturally flavored soda. So there you go. I've gotten a lot of naturally flavored drinks from the Daily Goodie box before, so I'm definitely excited. All right, so let us do a recap and see what all came in the Daily box for the month of June. All right. Oh, and like I said, in the bottom, they always put it together in like a paper clip, which I think is super cool. So they give you like different offers that these companies have at the moment so that you can grab them and maybe buy more of that full size product. So first, like I said, we have the dry vanilla soda. And then we have the 2 ginger shots here. And we have the 2 protein bars. We have the energy gummies. And then we have the chips. And then last but not least, we have the Australian lanolin oil day cream. So that's super cool. All right, so what did you guys think of the Daily Goodie box for the month of June, sorry, I'm like ahead of myself. July is like a couple of days away. All right, so I think it was good. I love this box. I love receiving this box I can share with you guys. And like I said, definitely check out their Facebook page because there's always a way to get a free goodie box. But with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.